Today I will show you how to create a Ubisoft Connect account. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I want you to do is go to the description of this video and you would find the Ubisoft official link, and you can click on that link and it will lead you to this page. Now once you're on this page, what I want you to do is navigate to this right icon here that shows the display image. So you click on that and it's going to open up another dialog box and it's going to ask you to log in. Since we don't have an account with Ubisoft, we're going to click on create an account. Now once the create an account page loads, it's going to ask you to input your date of birth. I'm going to put this date of birth here. One thing I'd like to advise about the date of birth is usually most of these websites, they usually accept people that are older than 13 years because this is a gaming website. If you're older than 18 years, you would definitely be allowed. If you're younger, you need a guardian to register for you, and you're going to click on continue. Here we're going to input our email. We're going to confirm that the email we input in this dialog box is the same, it matches, and we're going to input a strong password. Now what does a strong password consist of? It must be 8 to 16 characters long. It must have at least one lowercase letter, so one small letter, and it must also have at least one uppercase letter, so at least one capital letter. It must also have one number and one special character. Now the special characters are full stop, comma, colon, question mark, dollar sign, all those characters that are not alphabets, those are special characters. And now you're going to choose a Ubisoft username. And once you choose your Ubisoft username, you're going to click on accept. I accept Ubisoft's terms of use, and you're going to click on create account. And once that's done, they're going to send a verification code to your email address, and you're going to put that here. And just like that, we've been able to create our Ubisoft Connect account, as you can see here. Now that's how to create a Ubisoft Connect account. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.